An international political scandal is unfolding around Western lawyer Robert Amsterdam, founder of Amsterdam and Partners LLP, after newly unsealed digital records published by the US Department of Justice showed 2016 communications involving Amsterdam, his firm, and the office of Jeffrey Epstein. The records have drawn renewed attention because of Amsterdam's current public role in Armenia, where he is representing Russian-Armenian businessman Samvel Karapetyan, defending the Armenian Apostolic Church, and criticizing the government of Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan. Amsterdam denies having any personal or professional relationship with Epstein, and has warned that he may pursue legal action against those who allege otherwise. The issue has become part of a wider political dispute in Armenia. Rubinyan, Vice President of Armenia's National Assembly, has publicly accused Amsterdam of links to Epstein. Amsterdam rejected the allegation and threatened a $10 million defamation lawsuit. The records published by the US Department of Justice do not, on their own, establish a personal relationship between Amsterdam and Epstein. However, they show documented contact involving Amsterdam, his firm, Epstein's office, and communications concerning a proposed engagement letter. According to the records, on April 26, 2016, Epstein's assistant emailed Epstein about a request from Amsterdam and his partner, Andrew Durkovic, who was seeking Epstein's direct contact information. Epstein approved the request. The same day, Epstein authorized adding Durkovic to a scheduled 1 p.m. meeting, and Epstein's staff confirmed the logistics with Amsterdam's office. After that meeting, Durkovic sent an email to Jeffrey Epstein, copying Amsterdam. In the message, Durkovic wrote, "Dear Jeffrey, pleasure meeting this afternoon. As promised, attached is a proposed engagement letter for Mr. Wade Sr.'s signature. Any questions, please let us know. Best regards, Andy." Amsterdam has said the proposed retainer did not create a legal or professional relationship with Epstein. In comments reported by News.am, he said the matter related to Kareem Wade, the Senegalese politician and son of former Senegalese President Abdoulaye Wade.
That we never even offered our services to Mr. Epstein. Mr. Epstein, in the one meeting I had about an African client, did raise the possibility of me working for him, and I declined.
Kareem Wade, a former Senegalese minister, was convicted on corruption-related charges and later pardoned in 2016 after a major political dispute involving international lobbying efforts. Another record published by the US Department of Justice shows that Amsterdam later contacted Epstein directly. "Dear Jeffrey, hope you are well. I am back in New York this Sunday through Tuesday. If you think it is worthwhile, I would be happy to meet with you. My very best, Bob." The email was signed by Robert Amsterdam of Amsterdam and Partners LLP. A News contacted Amsterdam by email seeking comment and clarification on the allegations and the documents cited in this report. No response had been received by the time of publication. A News also contacted a phone number attributed to Amsterdam via WhatsApp. In the exchange, a person using that number denied any personal involvement with Epstein and indicated that legal action could be taken against anyone making such a claim. The records have gained political significance because of Amsterdam's current role in Armenia, where he has emerged as a prominent critic of the Pashinyan government while representing Karapetyan. Karapetyan, the owner of Electric Networks of Armenia, faces charges including tax evasion, money laundering, large-scale embezzlement, and public calls to seize power. He denies wrongdoing. Karapetyan has also been named as a prime ministerial candidate by the Strong Armenia movement, although questions have been raised in Armenia over legal requirements relating to residency and citizenship. Amsterdam has taken a highly visible public role while representing Karapetyan. He has visited Yerevan, met Catholicos Garagin II, and supported detained church figures including Archbishop Bagrat Galstanyan and other clerics. In multiple interviews with Armenian media and on his social media, he repeatedly described the Armenian authorities' actions as attacks on religion and democracy, accusing the Pashinyan government of political repression and targeting opposition figures. He has also engaged in social media posts alleging ethnic cleansing in Karabakh. On multiple occasions, he has also criticized European officials and urged the EU and other international institutions to reassess their approach toward Azerbaijan and Armenia. Amsterdam has also focused heavily on the Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict. He has criticized Azerbaijani authorities and called for the release of Armenian detainees in Baku, describing their detention as a violation of international law and conventions. During visits to Armenia and meetings with Catholicos Garagin II, Amsterdam linked the issue of detainees to what he described as broader threats against Armenia's security, Armenian identity, the Armenian Apostolic Church, and the Armenian people. He has criticized Azerbaijani authorities and called for the release of Armenian detainees in Baku, describing their detention as a violation of international law and conventions. Azerbaijani authorities reject those claims and maintain that the detainees were lawfully arrested, formally charged, and convicted by the Baku military court, following legal proceedings and the presentation of evidence in accordance with Azerbaijani legislation. While Amsterdam denies any personal connection to Jeffrey Epstein, the documents and related communications remain part of ongoing public and political discussion.